Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. So, I welcome you to the ninth semester and sorry, third semester. Just a minute. I have to pick up a call. So the paper that is assigned to me for your third sem, that is data warehouse and data mining, right? So yeah. So first we will start with the data warehouse portion, and after completing the data warehouse portion, we'll move to the next part, that is data mining. Okay. So you know that how data is growing every day on everyday basis. Today's what happens that for any information you want to know, then you just open that Google search or whatever the search engine you are using. You are just typing it, and because of that searching, you will get some results, right? তো আজিকালি এনেকুৱাই হৈছে যিটো তুমি চাব বিচৰা সেইটো জাষ্ট চাৰ্চ কৰা তুমি পাই যোৱা, right? But imagine that in that way, how much data is being developed on every day, forget about the every day, on every minute basis. And to me, search Marisha. So similarly, some other people are also searching, or similarly, some people are adding the contents. Like suppose your Gmail, okay, your email accounts. There you are generating, if you are using the email account, your email account frequently, then you may imagine that how much inbox sent items actually contributing towards the data development. Similarly, suppose if you are writing some blogs, then those things are also data, right? কোনোবাই ব্লগ লিখা নে তোমালোকৰ মাজত কোনোবা আছে যি ব্লগছ লিখা? If you have any interest, it's a very good thing actually. Okay, if you have any particular interest on a particular topic, you may go for it. That's a very good thing. Then similarly, YouTube, and that is also generating a huge amount of data everyday basis. So what I mean to say that if you analyze it, the growth of data is taking the form of exponential. Okay. Even I can say that more than exponential. Jodi ami eta region, if I consider only one particular region of this globe, there you will see that this growth is taking the form of exponential. If I'm considering the whole globe, then obviously this will be increased. So there is a growth to say exponential. So what you can say, this is good or this is bad?
So good.
Okay, it is good.
Sir, বুজি পোৱা নাই।
Okay, মই আকৌ এবাৰ কৈ দিছো। এই যে ডাটা বিলাক যে গ্ৰোথ হৈছে, ডাটা মানে তুমি জেনাৰেট কৰিছা, মই জেনাৰেট কৰিছো সবে জেনাৰেট কৰি আছে ৰাইট আৰু সেই ডাটা বিলাক যেটো গ্ৰোথ হৈছে মই এটা ইন আওৰ গ্লোব আমাৰ পৃথিৱীখনৰ এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ এৰিয়াও যদি কনসিডাৰ কৰো তাৰ ডাটা গ্ৰোথটো আমি দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ এক্সপোনেনশিয়েল ওকে you guys probably heard these terms in your algorithm paper like exponential logarithm growth or the linear growth linear হোৱা মানে ঠিক ঠাক থাকে okay but exponential means it is rapidly growing মানে কি কৈছো এই ডাটাটো বহুত বেছি গ্ৰ হৈ আছে তুমি চাব পাৰা তোমাৰ গুগল সার্চ তোমালোকে কিমান কৰি থাকা তোমালোকে তো প্ৰথম পেজটোৱে চোৱা you people used to see the first page only sometimes second like that but if you notice carefully then you will see that thousands pages are there below when you go to the next page you will see the options there so if you will get the results in that way that means that mass of pages so someone should produce these things right someone should produce this data that's why you are getting this type of results yes or no যদি হিমানখিনি কোনোবাই প্ৰডিউস নকৰিলেহেঁতেন তুমি পালাহেঁতেন নেকি নাই ৰাইট বুজি পাইছা এতিয়া মই কি ক'ব বিচাৰিছো
পাইছো স্যাৰ
ওকে সো এই ডাটাখিনি যে গ্ৰোথ হৈ গৈছে ইমান এক্সপোনেনশিয়েল ৱেইট এক্সপোনেনশিয়েল মানে সহজ অৰ্থত যদি মই কওঁ বহুত বেছি গ্ৰোথ হৈছে মানে বহুত বেছি ওপৰলৈ গৈ আছে মানে তুমি সাপোজ আজি 1 lakhs of data generate কৰি data may be anything right মই এখন ফটোকো data বুলি কওঁ এটা ভিডিঅ'কো মই data বুলি ক'ব পাৰো এটা তোমাৰ এখন ডকুমেন্টকো data বুলি ক'ব document or whatever it is excel sheet everything is data right so the growth হৈছে exponentially man basically as a growth hoise is this going to be helping somewhere or it is not good হেতুৱে মই সুধিছিলো এই গ্ৰোথ হোৱাটো ভাল হৈছে নে বেয়া হৈছে এজনে অলৰেডি আনসাৰ দিছা one of you already answered that this is good what you people say others will say that this is good or bad
good sir
okay anyone else ভয় খাব নালাগে সবে নিজৰ অপিনিয়নটো দিয়া যাস
Good, sir.
Hello. Good.
okay ঠিক আছে so according to you this is good I also agree that this is good but কি হ'ব এতিয়া এই গুড হোৱাৰ লগতে মানে ঠিকে আছে ডাটা গ্ৰ হৈ আছে আমাৰ কাৰণে সহায়কৰ হ'ব that is okay but তোমাক যদি 1 লাখটা মাছৰ পৰা এটা গোল্ডেন ফিশ ডিসকভাৰ কৰিবলৈ কয় মানে এটা গোল্ডেন ফিশ ফাইন্ড আউট কৰিবলৈ কয় বিচাৰি উলিয়াবলৈ কয় তুমি পাৰিবানে out of 1 lakh fishes suppose you have been given assigned the task of finding out one golden cup fish you know the fish অসমীয়া মানুহ যেতিয়া জানিবা golden cup এইবিলাক তো শুনিছা চাগে silver cup golden cup এইবিলাক শুনিছা of course শুনিছা বুলি ধৰি লওঁ so সেই 1 লাখ ফিশৰ পৰা যদি এটা golden cup fish তুমি ফাইন্ড আউট কৰিব লাগিব then can you do that what will be your answer পাৰিবা নে নোৱাৰা
No, sir. ইমান easy নহয়।
বাকীসকলে কি কোৱা
sir internet
No, sir.
মাতটো ভাঙি আহিছে কোৱাচোন আকৌ কোৱা
sir content যদি ইন্টাৰনেটত থাকে
অ
তেতিয়া SEO থ্ৰুদি স্পেসিফিক সার্চ কৰি পেলাই উলিয়াব পৰা যায় আউট অফ যিমানেই নাথাকক কিয়
okay
আৰু আদাৰৱাইজ বহুত টান হ'ব যদি এনেকুৱা টেকনিক্যাল হেল্প নাথাকে
so ঠিক আছে so সেই 1 লাখটা মাছৰ পৰা এটা গোল্ডেন ফিশ টু ফাইন্ড আউট কৰাটো not possible বুলি নকওঁ but it is difficult it is 90% difficult if and otherwise if I am employing some particular technique to there that suppose এনেকুৱা এডাল মাৰিত মই এনেকুৱা এটা কেমিক্যাল দিdu that towards that chemical, towards that stick, only the golden cup piece will be attracted. Okay, but the others not. Then that will solve this problem. Golden cup to ahibo, baki bilak nahe. So we can catch, or we can pick that. Right. Similarly, like Arindam said, that iman hupa je data ase. Tumi suppose এই লোৱা data warehouse. Data warehouse to type কৰিলা, তুমি লাখ amount of data you will get it in the Google search. Or Google search বুলি কৈ থাকো, you know that we have a lot of different search engine techniques. Okay, search engines are there, which you can also use. But thing is that when you search this data warehouse itself, it will return kinds of more than 100 pages where you can find the result. But thing is that there you may not 100% sure that this is the page which is giving you the certain answer, which is giving you the correct answer, right? So there we just like Arindam said that we have to use some filter. So what is that exactly? These are nothing but some data mining techniques, some techniques that we have to use there to find out that hidden thing, or that important trend or important pattern out of those bulk amount of data. And for that, we have to use some technique, and that is none other than some data mining technique. Now, I hope you got it, the importance of data mining techniques. বুজি পাইছা?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
আৰু সেইটো কাৰণে এই পেপাৰখন হৈছে data warehouse and data mining. আমি এটা এটাকে চাম. Today I'm not going to start with the definition part. This is the first lecture. I will end just few minutes giving you the introduction. So data warehouse পেপাৰখনত আমি প্ৰথমতে পঢ়িম. We try to understand what is data warehouse, why we need it, what are the characteristics of it, what are the operations we can perform here, and providing a link between the data warehouse and the next stage of our lecture, that is data mining. Then we'll come to the data mining techniques or data mining. First, we'll go through its introduction and the different techniques under it. Okay. So, azile moi aru beshi ag nebahu. Today I'm stopping right here. From the next class, we'll try to go through the topics in a specific way. Thank you.
Thank you.